Hi everyone, welcome to the Tricksumo channel. So recently I took course 551 at Q World, and under this course my project was to create somewhere here, yeah, this one. So my project was to create design interactive introduction to quantum computing course with Classiq, and yeah, here is my name. So it took 3 months to complete the course, and as part of this course we created Jupyter notebooks and YouTube playlist. So these are Jupyter notebooks, and you can use this start.ipynb. Here images are broken, but if you clone this locally and open in your local Jupyter notebook, things will work. So this is the index page, and these are the videos which we created. So this course is really good if you have some basic understanding of quantum computing and want to understand things in a more better way, and also you will get familiarity with Classiq platform, which is very good for developing quantum algorithms. So here, as part of this course, first we covered some basics of quantum computing, then we covered what are state preparations, and this second section is mainly for state preparation, and then we covered some basic quantum algorithms. It started with oracles, then phase kickback, and then on top of oracle and phase kickback, we explained how Jozsa algorithm works, and then how quantum Fourier transform, quantum phase estimation, and then how source algorithm work, and then we covered Simon's and Grover's algorithm. So in this course, we not focus much on mathematics. Instead, we focus much on intuition. So yeah, even if you are afraid of mathematics like me, still you can go ahead and try it out. And apart from these notebooks, like these are Jupyter notebooks, images will not load here, but if you clone and run it locally, images will load. So you can go through these notebooks and also through these YouTube videos. For most of notebooks we have videos also, and at end of each notebook we have some tasks also, and solution of these tasks are provided either in notebook or in these videos. So go ahead and check out, and if you have any feedback, uh, let me know. You can comment in this channel, or in this educators mind channel, anywhere you can comment. And yeah, also long ago I created this game on quantum computing, related to quantum computing. I created this game on Unity. So if you had not checked it out, do check out it. It's available on itch, and you can download and play it on Windows. So yeah, thanks.